Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is information or general knowledge of North America. This is lecture series about strategically important topics of international relations, political science, global strategic studies, global affairs, and general knowledge of the world. Lectures can be helpful for the study of A and O levels, undergraduate, graduate, bachelor's, BS, and masters in the world universities and competitive examinations of the world. Please subscribe and share with students. This is map of the North America. This is United States of America. This is Canada, and this is Alaska, state of United States of America. This is Mexico, and this is Caribbean states, and this is South America. This is a Tropic of Cancer, which passes through Bahamas and Mexico in North America. Tropic of Cancer. Equator passes through Brazil and Colombia. Okay, let us move to its knowledge. North America is a continent in the northern hemisphere and almost entirely within the western hemisphere. North America is bordered to the north by Arctic Ocean, to the east by Atlantic Ocean, to the southeast by South America and Caribbean Sea, and to the west and south by Pacific Ocean. Because it is on the North American tectonic plates, Greenland is included as part of the North America. Geographically, North America is third largest of the world's continents, lying for the most part between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. It extends between the North Pole and the equator. North America, the third largest continent, extends from the tiny Aleutian Island in the northwest to the Isthmus of Panama in the south. Christopher Columbus discovered North America in 1492. European colonization began in the 16th century. The United States emerged from the 13 British colonies established along the East Coast. With the progress of European colonization in the territories of contemporary United States, the Native Americans were often conquered and displaced. The native population of America declined after European arrival. The first European to arrive in the contiguous United States were Spanish conquistadors such as John Ponce de Leon, who made his first visit to Florida in 1513. Even earlier, Christopher Columbus landed in Puerto Rico on his 1493 voyage. The Spanish set up the first settlement in Florida and New Mexico. Numerous disputes between Great Britain and the colonies led to the American Revolutionary War, lasting between 1775 and 1783, leading to independence of United States of America. Mayflower Compact, signed in 1620 on a ship. Constitution of United States was drawn in Philadelphia during summer of 1787 and finally ratified Constitution by 13 states on 29 May 1790. First 10 amendments ratified by states are called Bill of Rights. American Constitution has 7 articles. Amendment 27 amendments First president of USA was George Washington. It is a federal republic. Head of state is president. Its legislature is a bicameral legislature. One House of Representatives, 435 members, elected for 2 years. First woman speaker, Nancy Pelosi. Senate is also called upper chamber or most powerful chamber of the world. Consists of 100 members, 2 from each state. 50 states. Hawaii Island is in Pacific Ocean. Pearl Harbor, seaport of Hawaii, was attacked by Japan on 7th December 1941. The United States embarked on a vigorous expansion across North America throughout the 19th century, acquiring new territories, displacing Native Americans and admitting new states until 1848, when entire continent brought under control. During the second half of the 19th century, the American Civil War led to the abolition of slavery in the United States. The Spanish-American War and World War I confirmed the country's status as a global military power or superpower. The United States emerged from the World War II as a global superpower and saved the Europeans from extinction. It was the first country to develop nuclear weapons and also the only country to have used them in war against Asian country Japan. During the intense Cold War era, the United States and Soviet Union or USSR competed in the world. The end of Cold War and collapse of the USSR Soviet Union with the help of Muslim countries in 1991 left the United States as the world's sole superpower. United States is the world's largest economy by nominal GDP, the second largest by purchasing power parity (PPP), and accounts for approximately a quarter of the global GDP. Although its population is more than 4% of the world total, it holds more than 30% of the total wealth in the world. The largest share of the global wealth concentrated in a single country. Rivers. Missouri River is the longest in North America. Mississippi River, Colorado, these are other rivers. Mississippi River, Colorado River, Lawrence River, Chena River, Peace River, and shortest river is Roe River. Lake Superior is the largest lake in United States of America. Lake Superior is shared by Canada to the north and the United States to the east and south and west. Lake Superior is also considered the largest freshwater lake by area in the world. Lake Superior, second biggest freshwater lake in the world. Largest forest, Tingas National Forest, is in Alaska. Marshall Islands, Solomon and Polynesia Islands, Bahamas Island and Hawaii Islands are in Pacific Ocean. Denali is the highest mountain in North America. Mount McKinley, 20,320 feet in Rocky Range, is highest point in Alaska, USA. Death Valley is in California. Is the lowest point in United States of America or below the sea level. The three major desert region of North America are Sono, Ran, Majov and Chihuahuan. North America is the home of largest islands. There is no landlocked country in North America. The largest country in North America is Canada. Smallest is St. Kitts and Nevis. There are 23 independent countries and many other dependent territories in North America. The Caribbean region includes more than 7,000 islands, islets, reefs and cays. Wish you good luck. See you in the next lecture. Take care of yourself.